You seen the floodwater building up? It's just running down the path like this. Jesus, that's hit a tree nearby. That's hit a tree nearby.
Oh my god!
I was recording that as well. I was recording it as well. That just hit a tree over there. What? I am stupid to be outside.
Hello, through.
Oh, look, dinner!
Wanna get away from that store? My goodness.
That's right overhead. Oh my god, I've never known a thunderstorm. I've never ever known a thunderstorm like this. Come over here, Chris, and let's get further in. I've never heard a thunderstorm like that.
It wakes you up,
It's
right,
hitting-
doesn't it?
People are out in this and it's hitting trees all round us.
How did it sit
Because it's like the flash is so close and then immediately like that. You get the flash and you get the... Ryan, come here.
Why?
Because it's dangerous at the moment. If it hits a tree, you'll get hit by debris. Come
Let's go swimming! Let's go swimming! Let's go swimming!
Everybody's filming it, look.
Here's another one.
Poor lizards.
That's three massive cracks in 3 minutes.
Well, Paul, this is a lovely performance.
Whoa!
There's another one. The sky is like orange.
Yeah, look yellow. Look yellow.
You see, the thing was, we looked out earlier when we first started hearing it, no rain.
I know, but it said there was like a 36%.
I've never experienced a thunderstorm like that.
I know, but Mum,
36
Dad,
chance of rain at 8 o'clock.
I know, I don't know where you're getting your
Now
information.
looking at 10 past 8. 10 past 8.
Information from,
It's on-
but
it's on time.
it's dead on.
10 past 8.
Whoa!
Those people are really stupid being out in this.
let's put in an umbrella.
Let's hold the umbrella, hold the guy. Calm it. Calm it.
Seriously, they're going to get hit in a minute if they're not careful. Because that is right over
This is
us.
like, there's some people dying out here. This is the bomb going on.
Oh my goodness!
Guys, go careful because if it hits that tree there, you'll get hit by the debris.
Did you actually film it hitting a tree?
No, but the crash made me jump a mile.
How am I getting wet feet? I'm so far
Yeah,
away.
this is what I mean. Everybody's watching this. This is an abnormal. This is an abnormality.
It just got so hot.
Hold on,
I said I was outside having a cigarette and I could see the thundercloud building as you were watching it. It was really dark and it suddenly got so hot and I heard a rumble of thunder and I came in, said to Chris, if you want to go for a cigarette, Jesus Christ, said, you know, you need to go soon, and by the time we came back out, this is what we found.